Get the silver thing out and put it bubble side down. That's number one. Put that where you're going to place your hot piece here. Plug it in. And use this tool to put your 3 screws in. Just push this button and pull the front cover off. Plug it in, and then the power button's right here. This button here is used for heating when you want to turn it up. That's for your Celsius versus Fahrenheit. This is to turn your bubbler on, and this is to have it filter. When it's heating, it will be filtering because it has to go through the heater core and it will be filtering water. And when it's bubbling, that will be lit. Otherwise, if it's just on, you're sitting in still water, you can either have it filter or not by pushing that button. Down here, unplug this. And then take your hose, the hose that came with it, and put your hose, plug your hose in. Okay, that's going to blow your pool up. You position your hot tub, make sure the drain, that's the drain, is going toward the direction you want wherever you're going to attach your hose to drain your hot tub. So now you can see it's sitting on top of the silver thing. We're going to blow this up first. It looks like a big raft. It actually tucks inside the cover. So take your cover and flip it upside down and put it in, and then open that valve your hose and place it into this bladder, the raft looking thing, and then hit the bubble button. And that's hand taut, so you can, you just want it so it's firm. You don't want to overinflate it, but and then it fits right in the top of the cover. Okay, right here to the left of where you're going to attach your pump, this is the valve where you inflate it. It's covered up like this. Just untwist this, take this off. If you push it in and turn it a quarter to the right, here air comes out. If you push it in and turn a quarter to the left, there's no air coming out now. Okay, so that should be fine. So now we're going to attach the hose. We just inflated the top. So attach the hose over top of that and give it a quick quarter turn and hit bubble. Keep inflating it until it feels really firm. Then you're going to check it, and when you check it, you want to twist this on and see if it fits in the green area. To check it, if you hear all that air escaping, just turn this valve, push in and turn it until it locks itself. I'm right in the middle of the green, so I'm good. So that's it. Now attach your hose, and that goes away. And then reattach this part. Move this unit right over to here and put all 3 of these pieces together. So we're going to push it together, and then we're going to screw it all on using these big cuffs. So just push it all in so that this gasket's totally covered, and it'll all fit straight. So these are all lined up. You just line up the hose here and then pull the ring over and tighten it. And same for up here. Okay, just make sure all these are just hand tight. You don't want to over tighten and do anything. And just replace your cover. Make sure the cover here, make sure this is totally covered on the outside. And as well, you want this flap right here. Make sure this flap is closed. And you're ready to fill. It's filling. I will show you. This is the filter. There are 2 of them. Just put that together. They may come already in the filter thing. Okay, there are 2 things marked C in your hot tub. That's where these screw on. Just kind of do it gingerly. You'll know if it's wrong because you'll get a little resistance, but when it's right, it'll screw right on. So maybe reverse screw it till you feel it. It's a little tricky. Sometimes it's hard to get it going. But then when it gets going, it screws on real easy. Don't get in the hot tub with these screwed on. These are just for filtering. So you just unscrew them when you get 4 people in, so you don't knock somebody against them. Okay, so that's with the filters in place. I bought some extra filters because they were on clearance at Walmart, and I will send you an extra 2 of them. When I cleaned the filter yesterday, I just put a little bit of Clorox in the sink with some detergent and just let them soak and just swished them around. They cleaned right up. Once you get to the minimum line, you can go ahead and start heating. So just hit the heater. And then these are your up and down buttons that tell you how hot you want to get it. Okay, 101's really nice. And see, this is your filtration light. That shows you you're filtering. And that red light shows it is in the heating mode. When this turns green, that means you're already at where you want to be. So put the cover on, it'll keep faster. And then this right here is a key, and it actually locks your cover on if you want to lock your cover on. Drain the pool, take this piece here and screw it into this end of the hose. This end of the drain out. And then make sure you push the button down right here and put it in here. Once that's in place, then you can pull the plug on the inside of the tub.